Hey everyone, in this video, let's take a closer look at Supabase and Directus. In order to do so, here we are at directus.io and we are also at supabase.com. And according to Cider AI, Supabase and Directus are two open source platforms that serve different roles in backend development, but both aim to simplify the process of building and managing applications. Here is a detailed comparison. Supabase is often referred to as an open source alternative to Firebase. Supabase is a back-end as a service platform that provides developers with tools to create web and mobile applications. It targets developers looking for a complete back-end solution with features like authentication, real-time databases, and storage. Directus, on the other hand, is a headless content management system that allows users to manage content for applications. It caters primarily to developers and content creators who need a flexible way to manage data across various front-end frameworks and applications. Core features for Supabase includes real-time database powered by PostgreSQL. It allows real-time data updates and synchronization. It offers built-in user authentication and authorization features. It automatically generates RESTful and GraphQL APIs for your database schema. Provides file and storage capabilities for assets such as images and documents. Directus, on the other hand, is an API-first approach that provides RESTful and GraphQL APIs for managing content. It allows users to create custom database schemas and manage them via an intuitive interface. Features detailed user roles and permission settings for content access and management. Provides tools for content preview and visualization in its dashboard. Supabase is known for its developer-friendly interface. It allows users to quickly set up projects, manage databases, and access APIs. Its real-time capabilities and authentication features simplify back-end development, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced developers. Directus offers a streamlined content management through a user-friendly admin interface. It empowers content creators to easily manage and modify database content without needing deep technical knowledge. The flexibility in data modeling allows for customizable data structures, accommodating diverse project needs. Supabase is based on PostgreSQL. It offers strong performance and is designed to handle scaling as application demands grow. It can handle multiple connections and real-time updates efficiently. Directus, as a headless CMS, its performance depends largely on its underlying database that accompanies it. Directus can scale effectively when paired with robust database systems and is suitable for projects needing complex content structures. Community and support. Supabase benefits from a growing community and a variety of resources, including documentation, forums, and tutorials to assist developers in getting started quickly. Directus, on the other hand, also has an active community with comprehensive documentation and support channels. Its open source nature fosters community contributions and user shared resources. In summary, choose Supabase if you need a complete backend solution with real-time capabilities, authentication, and easy API generation for mobile and web applications. It's well suited for developers looking for a fast and efficient way to build full-stack applications. Choose Directus if you require a flexible and user-friendly headless CMS to manage content and data structures for various front-end applications. It's ideal for projects that prioritize content management and customization. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips Also, if you are interested in taking advantage of Cider AI, take a look at the link in the description for our link tree. Click on that and you'll find information on our upcoming Intro to AI webinars, as well as a discount code for Sintra AI. Skillcraft60 will give you 60% off your subscription. If you're interested in Cider, click on the link there to get started, and also take a look at EnzoBot. Click on those links. You'll be helping us out. We would greatly appreciate it.